Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we implemented a Power Automate flow to get data from Excel. In this video, we will implement a use case scenario for getting data from Excel. Let's get started. We will create a new automated cloud flow when a new response is submitted in our Microsoft form. We will name this flow and click on create. Now we are using getarrow action to get the details from the Excel sheet. The location is OneDrive for Business and the document library is OneDrive. The file name is Charity Tracker and the table is Table 1. The key column is email and the key value is the sender's email from dynamic content. Now we are adding another action that is post message in a chat or channel. Now we will specify the content of the message to be posted in the Teams channel. We are submitting this information for Madhav Sharma and it will be auto updated in the Excel sheet based on the automated cloud flow that we have created previously. It is updated in the Excel. Now we will continue for saving and testing. We are sending this monthly donation confirmation mail to our Outlook account. Our flow ran successfully. We have successfully received this email and we have successfully received the Teams message. And that's it. In the next video, we will implement Google Sheet integration in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.